Next, we have the lesson 14, the chain rule. In this lesson, we shall introduce a more general form of differentiation called chain rule. This is about finding the derivative of a composition function. Under this lesson, we have two methods to be used. One is the under theorem, the chain rule of the derivative of a composition function. We have the dy over dx is equals to the product of dy over du times du over dx. And another method comes from the theorem, the chain rule of a power or the general power rule. And that is the derivative of u to the n over dx is equals to nu raised to n minus 1 times du over dx. Under of theorem, the chain rule of the derivative of a composition function, let y is equals to the f of u be a differentiable function of u, and let u as the g of x be a differentiable function of x. Then we have a composition function y equals the f of the g of x is a differentiable function of x, and that is dy over dx is equals to dy over du times du over dx, or equivalently the same with dy over dx is equals to f prime of u times du over dx. Okay, next theorem is the chain rule of a power or the general power rule. Let u be differentiable function of x. If n is a rational number, then the derivative of u to the n with respect to x is equal to n u raised to n minus 1 times du over dx. Okay, we have an example for this kind of rule. Example 1, find the derivative of a given function. Y is equals to the quantity of 2x to the fourth plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 5 raised to fourth power. So, tingnan muna natin. Gamitin natin ng u. Let u with the given, itong form na to. Ito ang magiging u natin. So, we have 2x to the 4 plus 5x squared minus 6 plus 5. Then, kuhanin natin ang derivative nitong u, given u. So, the derivative of u with respect to x, dahil lang domain natin ay yung x with respect to x. By term, ang pagkuha natin ng derivative. So, yung 2x to the 4 ay magiging 8x squared, 2 times 4, then minus 1. Then, sa second term, 5 times 2, 2 minus 1. So, magiging plus 10x. Then, yung third term, negative 3 times 1, negative 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So, kaya ang mangyayari lang, negative 3. Then, yung plus 5 constant na yon. So, eliminate na yan. Okay? So, nakuha natin ngayon ang derivative of u with respect to x. Next. Gamitin natin yung ating power rule. So, we have y prime is equals to n u raised to n minus 1 times du over dx. Ang magiging u, based dito sa ating power rule, ang kanyang exponent ay 4. So, bababa lang yung 4, magiging coefficient ng u. So, meron tayong 4u. Then, itong 4 natin ay minus 1. Kaya magiging 4u cube. Okay? So, yung nu raised to n minus 1 naging 4u cube. times du over dx. Meron na tayong du over dx. Ito na yung 8x cubed plus 10x minus 3. Ilagay na natin siya. Times 8x cubed plus 10x minus 3. Okay, next. Then, instead na u, ilalagay natin yung kanyang original u. Ito ang ating original na u. Ayan. So, we have 4. Original of u, 2x to the 4 plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 5 raised to 3 times the sa du over dx, 8x cubed plus 10x minus 3. Then, mapapansin mo, pwede pa natin i-evaluate itong ating y prime. So, pwede natin pagsamahin to. 4 times the term 8x cubed plus 10x minus 3. Okay? So, ang magiging final result natin ay we have y prime is equals to 32x cubed plus 40x minus 12 times 2x to the 4 plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 5 raised to third power. And that's it. Okay, next, example number 2, differentiate the function y equals square root of x squared minus 3 sine 4x. So, let u, okay, convert muna natin. Ito kasing square root of x squared minus 3 sine 4x, pwede siyang i-convert into x squared minus 3 sine 4x raised to 1/2. Kasi di ba ang square root sa rational exponent, the same lang yon sa raised to 1/2. Okay, next. Let u represent for x squared minus 3 sine 4x. Ito ngayon ang ating magiging u. Next, so ibig sabihin, pag kinonvert natin yon, dahil ito ang ating magiging u, so magiging u raised to 1/2 na, di ba? So yung y natin, the same din as u raised to 1/2. Okay? Then, since meron na tayong u, kuhanin natin ngayon ang derivative of u with respect to x per term. Nahin natin ang x square. So, ang derivative nun ay 2x. Baba mo lang yung 2, then minus 1. So, 2x. Next, ito naman, ang derivative naman, dahil ang 3 ay constant, so minus 3, nandun lang ang minus 3, constant naman yon. So, ang sine, ang derivative ng sine ay cosine. Dahil meron pa siyang u, so gamitin natin yung sine u. Pag kinuha natin ang derivative ng sine u, ayan, derivative of sine u, equal yon sa cosine u du. Ayan, cosine u times du. Yung du, derivative of u. So, ano ang u? Cosine u. Sine u, ang u mo dito ay 4x. At ang derivative ng 4x ay 4. Okay, so magiging cosine u, cosine 4x, derivative of u is 4. So kaya naging 2x minus 3 cosine 4x times 4. Next, pwede pa natin i-simplify itong part na to. Kasi dahil ito ay 4 times 4, pwede mo siyang i-distribute with negative 3. So therefore, rewrite natin. So nandun pa rin ng 2x minus negative 3 times 4, negative 12. Then cosine 4x. Then, proceed naman tayo dun sa ating definition. So y prime is equals to u raised to 1/2 yung ating y times du over dx. So, kuhanin natin ang derivative ng u raised to 1/2 with respect to u. with respect to u. Okay? So, magiging, bababa yung 1/2, magiging 1/2 u. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Then, meron na tayong du over dx. Substitute na lang natin. Ito yung ating du over dx. Substitute na lang siya. Next, evaluate natin. 1/2 minus 1. Nandun pa rin yung coefficient na 1/2. So, 1/2. Then, ang original u. Ang original u natin ay x square minus 3 sine 4x. So, x square minus 3 sine 4x. Then, 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Then, bring down to x minus 12 cosine 4x. Next, kung mapapansin mo, ito ay negative exponent. Oh, negative. So, pwede nating simplify itong 1/2 na factor at itong 2x minus 12 cosine 4x. Divisible by 2. Itong part na to, 2x at 12x. Pwede siyang maging 2, factor out 2, at ang magiging term niya dito ay x minus 6 cosine. 6 cosine 4x, di ba? Kasi factorable naman yung 2 and 12 cosine 4x. Okay? Check natin. Ayan. Okay? So, dahil siya ay negative 1/2, so susundin natin yung rule na x raised to negative n is the same as 1 over x to the positive or over positive n. Meron tayong ganun rule, di ba, sa law of exponent. X raised to negative n is equals to 1 over x to the positive n. X over 1 over x to the positive n. Okay? So, kaya itong portion na to, naging denominator na siya. Then, yung 1/2 nandun pa rin. Nandito yung 1/2. Eh, dahil kinuha natin ang pinactor out natin yung 2, factorable kasi yung 2 and 12. So, nandito na ngayon 1 times 2 times quantity x minus 6 cosine 4x. Then, mapapansin mo ito ay pwede na i-divide. So, 2 divided by 2, 1 na yan. So, matitira na lang ang x minus 6 cosine 4x over x square minus 3 sine 4x raised to 1/2. Then, yung raised to 1/2, pwede natin gawing in radical form. Okay, so ayusin natin yung ating final answer. Then, ang ating final answer ay y prime is equals to x, ano to ito ay 6. 6 ito. Yan. X minus 6 cosine 4x all over square root of x square minus 3 sine 4x. And that's it.